Hello everyone, Jim McKinstry here, Southern California, here to share something with you, our team family, and we're really excited about it because of the fact it's creating some incredible success on the team, and we want to make sure that we bring this to you and share it with you too. First of all, we know that simplicity equals duplication, which equals a big check. You know, one of the biggest, I believe, Achilles heels in our industry is getting a brand new person started right. In other words, get them in the business, but not only just in the business, but get them a check right away. That's a belief check. They understand then that it works for them too. So what we're doing is we're actually building a culture. We're building a family. We're creating those relationships, and we know that anybody can do this. That's why it duplicates. And that's what gets that person, that new person started, get them a check right away. But more importantly, what we're doing is we're turning on their dream machine. We're getting people to dream again, to what is important to them. So here's what we're doing. Once we've got a brand new person started, once we've signed them up, whether it's at a PBR, a business briefing, or even a sit-down, what we're immediately doing is turning on their dream machine. And what we've got is I've got a simple sheet here I've put together that literally is talking about where they're at now and where do they want to be. And you'll be able to download a copy of that just below us right here. So it simply is talking about their why and what hurts you. And what we simply have on here is where they're presently at and where they want their future to be. Where do they want their dreams and goals? So we've talked about their home. What kind of a home do they live in? Oh, they live in an apartment. It's a one-bedroom apartment. And they don't like it. It's too small. They want more room. So what would they like their home to be? What would their dream home look like? Would they drive up to it? Would it be a circular driveway? Would it have 5 bedrooms? What's it going to look like? Is it going to have a big yard? Is it going to have a swimming pool? And we're going to talk about their income. I mean, right now, what are they making? Obviously, there's something hurting in their life. Is it their income? They're not making enough money. They're not getting paid what they feel they're worth. Well, what would they like to be making? We're going to talk about their vacations. Where do they go for a vacation? I mean, do they literally get away and be away for a week or 2 or 3? We want to talk about where would they like to be able to go. So we're going to talk about their vacations, their time, their finances, the family, the contributions, car, investments, the retirement, and also their hobbies. You know, the main thing is being involved in this business is helping people get in this business what's important to them. So we're going to turn on the dream machine. Then what we're going to do is we're going to invite them to take out their phone, and now we're really going to get them started. What we're going to do is we're going to take out their phone and encourage them to do this. We're going to literally text this message that's just down below here that you can see. I encourage you to use it just exactly the way you see it. It's having incredible results. It was shared with me by somebody who's gone from doing about 200 membership sales to over 1,000 membership sales. They've actually gone from recruiting about 75 to 80 people a month to over 500 people a month. I will tell you, it's creating incredible results for us too, and I encourage you to be using. So we're going to start with the A's, and we're going to text everybody in their phone this message that you see. I mean, literally, it's incredible the results that take place. I've got a brand new gal that I started this last Monday evening, and we did exactly this. We text 40 numbers in her phone, 40 individuals, prospects, and we got confirmations and callbacks from 2 individuals that says, I like what I heard. It's that 877 number you see there. I'd encourage you to listen to it so you know what it says. But here's what happens. We took those 2 individuals, plugged them into a PBR, seeing the DVD. They both signed up that same evening, and because of that process being duplicated over and over and over and over this week, that couple is now one of the newest directors on the team. It's incredible. We're excited about it, and we wish the same thing for you too. And you can end up being blessed for the success also. So the second step is we're then plugging them into the PBR. I mean, literally, all those individuals that actually contacted back by the text message that they listened to, we're then plugging them to the PBR that next evening or later on that evening or the next day. And literally, I mean, they're going to be calling back and saying, you know, it's funny you say that you have an interest in seeing that video. We're inviting some people over tomorrow night to come over and take a look at the video. You got to be here. So it's exciting. It's an event. So there's 2 things we're doing. We're simply doing the game plan interview. Once we've done that, we're texting everyone on their phone, and all those individuals that have an interest, all we care is about 1 person, just getting 1 new person, and then we're plugging them into their PBR either later on that evening or the following day, and we're having incredible success doing it. So literally, I want to encourage you, use the PBR DVD. The PBRs are incredible because anybody can do them. So again, step one is we're doing the game plan interview. We're turning on their dream machine. We're also flooding their phone with the text messages and getting those out. And the individuals that contact them back, we're actually getting them set up to a PBR to where they can watch this video. And it's literally been done for them. And this can be done for anybody across the country, coast to coast. And we're excited about the results. And we wish the same thing for you too. So until next time, Jim McKinstry signing out from Southern California. We'll see you at the top.